Hello and welcome. My name is Corey Wade. We're going to have a look at the magic of the fully diminished 7th chord and also how to hack it across all 12 key signatures. But first, let me just demo the chord and its tension and possibility. It's filled with all this tension that we can use to reharmonize and passing tones. So what is a fully diminished 7th chord? Well, here it is here. And it's unique in that it's actually symmetrical. It's stacked minor thirds, which allows us to do the hack in this video today, which is that one grip, one chord shape with 4 notes in it, actually gives me 4 different chords. I can think of this as my C fully diminished, but I can also think of it as my E flat fully diminished, or my F sharp fully diminished, or my A. And I can rearrange, I can put that bottom note at the top so you can see it. That's my C fully diminished, there's my E flat fully diminished, there's my F sharp fully diminished, and here is my A fully diminished. But all I need is that one grip and I can represent all those flavors. I don't need to do the inversions to get the flavor right, so there's the hack. So with one grip, one shape, I have 4 out of 12 key signatures covered. And so 12, just to recap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 key signatures, 12 different fully diminished chords, and we've got 4 of them covered in one grip. Now we can think of this grip as a particular shape, like a dome or an igloo shape. You see that? Now if I move that, if we think of that as the C position, if I move that into the G position, I've got 4 more fully diminished 7th chords covered right here. I've got my G, B flat, D flat, and E. Obviously we can think of these as sharps as well. We can think of it as an A sharp and think of this as a C sharp. The software is doing it in flat, so I'm just going to call it that for today. So one shape in 2 positions gives us 8 out of 12 key signatures. So all we need is our final shape, our second shape, and we have all 12 key signatures covered. So what we're going to do is put on the B diminished chord and an A flat note and just pick that up in one hand, and there we have it. Now you can put the A flat at the top or at the bottom, whichever one, just train one in to begin. And so there you have it between, I'll do it in both hands. There's our C position, if you like, there's our G position and our A flat position, and there you go, all 12 key signatures covered in 2 shapes and 3 positions. If you're interested in finding out more about the magic of the diminished 7th chord and how we can use it and apply it into our musicianship, feel free to check me out on the Patreon link below. See you on the flip side.